Buyers in the know wait years to purchase the better positioned units in the iconic absolute waterfront Noosa Shores complex. This top floor apartment is one of the finest available, with elevated majestic views of the Noosa River. With furniture included, the bright living space and full-width terrace looks across the resort pool to bobbing yachts on the opposite shore. The apartment includes well-appointed bedrooms, bathroom with twin vanities and laundry facilities. The Vogue kitchen is in excellent condition with sleek gloss cabinetry, granite bench tops and stainless steel oven and cooktop. Guests at the resort enjoy the use of the spectacular pool, entertaining areas, grassy lawns, gardens and jetty. Noosa's main beach is a 10-minute level stroll, whilst award-winning premier restaurants and ferry are on the doorstep.